now Daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello there. Hi everyone, welcome today on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, June the 10th, 2023 here. June the 10th, 2023. In this daily newspaper, we have two regular puzzles, the medium Sudoku and the Samurai Sudoku. I will do this tomorrow. And we have only one puzzle page. A puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. The tectonic, binary, 10 by 10. Another binary, 10 by 10. Sudoku with 2 stars. Sudoku with 3 stars. And a killer Sudoku. There's no extra puzzles in the additional. There's no additional. Let me show you. Only one puzzle page. I will do on Sunday the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. Yeah, the Friday newspaper. Okay. So today the medium Sudoku I will do, and the puzzle page, half of these puzzles, 4 of them. Yeah, I will do 4 of them. But first, in the evening. But first, let me start with the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku. Let me position the camera first. Okay. Medium Sudoku number 6570. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Yeah, 29. Should be easier than the 1-star puzzle in the additional. For the 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see. All right. So let's get started. Which number can I pick? About the 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between. Middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the row below, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. How about the 8 in this column? The 8 in that column. So the column between. Middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row. 8 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. The 8 in this row, last row, the 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. Oh, wait. And now. 2 missing numbers here in the middle row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7, 7. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these two boxes. Here's 7 in the second column, no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 7 could be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in one of those two boxes in the third column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the second column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now I cannot continue with 7. Let me look for another digit. How about? Well. 4. Interesting. 6. We have a pair here. The 1 and the 4 in this row. The 1 and the 4 in the row below, the middle row. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Then. Let me see. 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Okay. 3. 6 and 2. Yeah, thinking. 2, 2 and 3. But the 1. Huh. Come on. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes here. 2 in the second row, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left with 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. We see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yeah, now I cannot continue with the 2. How about a 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left on the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left on the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, okay. Alright, now. 1 and a 4, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the second column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. The 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. I need to wait. Wait. Yeah, need to wait. Yeah. How about 9 and 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. 6 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here, 4 in this row. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. It should be there. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. Middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest of 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 4 in this row, third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And the 4's are used, I can see. Digit number 4. Okay. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. Yeah. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 now in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 9, I believe. Yeah, 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about this box? 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 and the 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. No, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 2 goes there, finish in 14 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. We have here 29 printed digits. So we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.